Unraveling the Word, Anecdote. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting word, anecdote. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how and when to use it. An anecdote is a short and amusing or interesting story about a real incident or person. It's often shared to entertain or to highlight a point without using a lengthy explanation. Here's a simple example. If you've ever heard someone start a sentence with, "That reminds me of the time when," they're probably about to share an anecdote. Understanding the origin of a word can sometimes make it easier to remember. The term anecdote comes from the Greek word anekdota, which means things unpublished. This makes sense because anecdotes are often personal, unpublished stories or snippets from someone's life. To clarify further, here are a couple of examples. 1. When I was a child, I once tried to feed the lions at the zoo because I thought they were just big cats. 2. My grandmother always said that a cup of tea could solve any problem. One day, during a power outage, she actually tried fixing the fuse with a teacup in hand. These stories are anecdotes. They are short, personal accounts that provide a glimpse into a situation or someone's character. Now that you know what an anecdote is, let's see how you can use it in a sentence. 1. He told an anecdote about his adventures in Africa. 2. Her speech was full of amusing anecdotes about the challenges of being a teacher. Remember, the word can be used in various contexts, but it always refers to a brief story or account of an event. And there you have it. The next time you hear or read the word anecdote, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Keep practicing, keep sharing your own anecdotes, and, as always, happy learning.